Unemployment in Malaysia has been a significant concern, especially in the post-pandemic recovery to the period of 2023 and early 2024. While the unemployment rate was alarmingly high during the pandemic, it dropped to approximately 3.5% by mid-2023, a positive development. However, fresh graduates and young job seekers still face challenges finding meaningful employment. The labour market struggles with issues like skill mismatches, underemployment, and the evolving demands of automation, digitalization, and green industries. To tackle these challenges, the government introduced skill development programs, salary support initiatives, and employment schemes to create opportunities for a diverse workforce. Looking ahead to 2024, Malaysia's employment outlook remains positive. The focus is now on generating quality jobs and preparing a flexible workforce to meet the needs of emerging industries.
My name is Arisa Udina, and I would like to discuss about the statistic of unemployment rate in Malaysia. I will discuss from 2021 until 2023. In 2021, the unemployment rate was 4.64% and increased 0.1% from 2020. In 2020, we can see that the percentage was about 4.5%, which means the range of the unemployment rate was quite higher to compare with the past few years. The statistics seem to keep increasing in the next year, which is in 2021. One of the causes for this drastic unemployment rate was when Malaysia was having a pandemic era because of COVID-19. Those years, Malaysia had difficult 2 years over 2020 and 2021, along with the rest of the world are facing a pandemic that caused loss of life, strenuous strain and on healthcare, and heavy economic losses from loss of job. Thankfully, by the end of 2022, the unemployment rate in Malaysia started to decreasing with a good amount of percentage, which is stated at about 3.75%. This is because Malaysia is slowly starting to hire more workers and promote jobs with a variety of requirements. Now I will discuss about the issue or factor of unemployment in Malaysia. Unemployment in Malaysia is a complex issue influenced by various economic, social, and also structural factors. According to Malaysian researcher Edwin Ochunkin, youth unemployment could be in a bad situation in Malaysia because of the loss of human capital, one area to another, with skilled locals migrating for better opportunities. Issues in Malaysia have been discussed for a really long time because of the long-term consequences of underemployment and unemployment. The pandemic made, like I said in statistics before, the pandemic started in 2020, made the unemployment get worse, which raised the unemployment rate. Persistent youth unemployment can harm Malaysia's workforce and economic growth. It also may lead to higher government spending on social programs, putting more pressure on the country, which are already limited in budget. Many fresh graduates struggle to find jobs that match their qualification and remain unemployment because of the lack of work experience, and high expectation in their studies, and also limited job opportunities in their fields.
In Malaysia refers to a gap between what students learn in school, colleges and universities, and the skills that employers seek in the job market. This mismatch affects many graduates, leading to challenges in finding employment that align with their qualification and expectations. Here's a detailed breakdown of these issues. First of all, as we know, academic success has historically taken precedence over practical or vocational training in the Malaysian educational system, which means graduates often have strong theoretical knowledge but lack in the practical problem solving or technical skills that employers require. For example, the educational system may still place a strong emphasis on traditional subjects with little attention paid to these new skills, even though industry may require knowledge in fields like artificial intelligence, data analytics, or green energy. And other than that, there is also often a lack of collaboration between educational institutions and industry, in which companies may not communicate their needs effectively. And in this case, it could mean that university may not design programs that prepare students for current market demands.
Now, I would like to talk about measures to overcome unemployment in Malaysia. Public policy used in Malaysia is fiscal policy. Fiscal policy means how the government use spending and taxes to impact the economy in the country. It helps reduce unemployment and promote economic growth. For example, the government may spend more on public projects like roads, school, and hospital to create more jobs. By lowering tax, it also can give people more money to spend and encourage business in investment. The goal is to keep the economy stable and benefit to everyone in the country. Next, we move to method used to overcome unemployment in Malaysia. There are three methods. First is government spending. Second, promoting skill development and training program. Third, job matching and employment portal. Firstly, government spending. In Malaysia, fiscal policy focus on government spending, especially in infrastructure development to reduce unemployment. Large-scale projects like highway, public transport system, and utility creates both immediate and long-term job opportunity. For example, the MRT and ECRL projects are expected to generate thousands of jobs during construction and operation. In investing infrastructure, it helps create employment for low and semi-skilled workers. It contributing to lower unemployment in the country. Next is promoting skills development and training programs. In Malaysia, unemployment is partly caused by a skill mismatch, where job seekers lack the qualifications employers need. To address this, the government has launched programs to improve employability and upskill workers. For example, the Human Resources Development Fund offers financial support to employers for staff training. The scheme Latihan One Malaysia programs helps graduates gain real-world skills through training and internship with public and private organizations. This initiative improves employability, reduce unemployment, and help align the workforce with Malaysia's goal of becoming Industry 4.0 ready and achieving a high-income economy. Lastly, job matching and employment portals. Effective job matching through platforms like My Future Jobs by SOSO helps reduce unemployment by connecting job seekers with qualified companies. This platform benefits new graduates, lack of workers, and job seekers by offering career guidance and counseling. Employers also find suitable candidates faster. Government-sponsored employment initiatives and career fairs provide offline alternatives. Overall, these resources streamline the job search process, improve accessibility, and help reduce unemployment caused by knowledge gaps.
In conclusion, Malaysia's path to economic growth and high income status relies on tackling unemployment head-on. By embracing comprehensive policies and encouraging collaboration across sectors, the nation can pave the way of a sustainable and inclusive labour market, one ready to meet the challenges of an ever-changing global economy.